The Nike Air Force One has come a long way since it first debuted in shops. I think it was in 1982. That was the year when I was born. Kinda dating myself here and I'm a bit old. But anyway, today I'm going to review the latest iteration of the Nike Air Force One, where it takes a classic silhouette but it puts in the latest cushioning technology of Nike. Guys, I am so excited to bring you my on-feet review of the Nike Air Force One React. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please make sure that you do so. In fact, we're going to draw a giveaway very soon. It's a sneaker of your choice in your size that we can buy from Commonwealth. So make sure that you hit that subscribe button, follow me on Instagram, join our Facebook community, and then click the links down below for the rest of the mechanics. Let's take a closer look at this sneaker because I am super excited. For the upper, it comes in this black colorway, which is dominantly basically the entire upper part and even the lower part of the shoe. It uses leather for the forefoot and at the back of the heel of the shoe. It uses some sort of like mesh material panel that you can see here on the lateral and the medial side, which is the same material that they actually used for the tongue tap. If you take a look at the colors, there are two accent colors. There is Vault and some sort of like light purple. The Vault you have over here along the side of the midsole. It actually says here React, written beside Air, and it has the Nike Air logo at the back embroidered, and of course the Nike Air Force One logo that I mentioned at the tongue tap. It also has purple. You have it here at the heel, and you have the Dimension 6 logo here along the medial side as well. Ultimately though, the star of the show is what can be found inside this Air Force One. The typical Air Force One uses an air unit that stretches the entire rubber midsole, so it is literally encased over here. For this Air Force One, none of that. What do you have instead? You have a thick, as in THICC, React insole slash midsole. So it does away with the air unit that you usually find for the entire length, and you have this instead. This is really thick, guys. As in, you can just already tell by the picture how thick it is. You have the Nike React branding here at the top. But what makes this actually kind of not, normal for a React insole or a React shoe is the presence of this gem here at the back of your heel or the bottom of your heel, which is a small pocket air unit. And this one actually brings the magic to you when you are walking. So how does it feel when you are walking on the Air Force One React? What is the on-feet experience? Is it good? Is it bad? Is the cushioning insane? The answer to that is yes. It is amazing. It is the most comfortable Air Force One that I've ever tried on, and it is really just mind-blowingly good, an implementation of React for a sneaker like this that actually works. I did a review of the Jordan 1 React and I pretty much trashed it. I called it a hard version of React. I called it the fake version of React. But this one, they got it spot on. They got it so right with the implementation of the React tech. What do I mean by that? You feel the difference. As somebody who wears the Air Force One a lot, and I mean a lot, I have a lot of Air Force Ones. You can see it at the back. There are actually more over there. I have the Off-Whites, I have the Supreme CDGs, I have the Travis Scott Air Force Ones, and a variety of other executions and collaborations. This by far, it feels superior on feet. The React technology gives you that cushioning, gives you a more pillowy, soft version that you would normally get, that you wouldn't get with the air unit from the previous iterations. But more than that, you get an extra pop in the heel. In fact, when you are walking, ever so slightly, you feel like there's that bounce back. There's like that push to keep you moving forward. How is that happening? Because of the pocket air unit that I showed you guys earlier. That is the magic. The combination of that pocket air with the React really gives you cushioning and the bounce back. So that's for the comfort. Now when it comes to the style, you have several options. This is the black, Vault, and violet colorway. There is a gray model as well as a really kick-ass white model with accents of black and red. So just take your pick among the three. However, if you ask me, Nike should just do one thing. They should make a triple white Air Force One, strip out the air unit at the bottom, and slap in the React midsole. Perfect. Perfection in an Air Force One. That would probably be the best-selling Air Force One ever. A triple white Air Force One React. Nike, make it. Come on, just do it, because I think that will sell out like crazy. Now, if you're thinking, Carlo, can I just swap out the React insole of this one and slap it inside an Air Force One? Unfortunately, it cannot work because the air unit is encased in the midsole. I tried doing it with all of my Air Force Ones. It just doesn't work. So you will have to really buy an Air Force One React to be able to take full advantage of the React insole. And speaking of buying, this sells for just over 6,000 pesos, making it an insanely affordable sneaker if you ask me. And it truly is one of the best implementations of React. So do I recommend it? Hell yes. If you're a fan of the Air Force One, if you love the silhouette, if you are curious about the Air Force One and you've always wanted to buy one, but you've had concerns on the comfort and the cushioning, this one is the one to get. My only warning is that if you are going to buy one, make sure that you pick a shoe out properly without any defects. Unfortunately, the one that I got had like a QA issue. If you take a look over here, there is some stitching kind of broken. So it's really annoying. I mean, it's so frustrating. But anyway, you guys get the idea. So just make sure that you pick a properly designed and tied shoe so you don't get like a bad one like I did. And that's actually it for our review for the day. But before we end, I want to get your opinion on something, guys. Virgil Abloh recently did his Paris Off-White show for Louis Vuitton, and he debuted a new Air Force One. Off-White Air Force One. So it's kind of like the MCA, the one that I just showed you earlier. It's blue, the upper with a silver swoosh. However, the difference, it has a black midsole and it has the diagonal blue lacing system on top of it, similar to the Nike Off-White Dunks. So it's like the combination of the MCA and the aesthetic of the deconstruction that he used with the Dunks put together in one crazy shoe. So what do you guys think about it? Let me know in the comment section. And with that said, I hope you guys enjoyed our video for today. It's Friday, it's a weekend, so happy weekend. Enjoy, rest up, peace, God bless. What's up? Boom.